It's important to aid those who are different, whether their differences are visible or not. This aid doesn't solely exist in one form. It could be through monetary donations, through a simple act of kindness, even through socialization where we actively include others. Inclusion involves understanding. And I get it. It's natural to be hesitant and afraid of things that we don't understand. But as the saying goes, knowledge is powerful. And to be compassionate is so empowering. In acknowledgement of World AIDS Day, we here at PBCJ want to participate in the conversation that assesses the relationship between the wider public and those living with HIV/AIDS. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.